Hey, what's up everybody, welcome to the random stuff. Today we're gonna be unboxing the weightlifting belt that cost me around 299 rupees. I bought it from Flipkart. Let's see how it looks. Let's start unboxing it. There we go. As you can see, it's 299 rupees only. Now let's have a look how it looks like. So the company name is Aurion and the size is around 28 to 32 inches. So my size is 32, so I bought this medium size belt. Okay, we got two straps for holding the belt. It has 4-inch pad. That's for the support for your lower back. And we have these holes. This is how it looks from inside. As you can see, it has a pad here that will give the support. Okay, let's try it out. So before you buy any belt from online, make sure that you check your size before buying them. I actually ordered a medium size belt and its size ranges from 28 to 32 inches, and when you measure, make sure that you don't measure your waist. Actually, you have to measure from here. Take the measuring tape and measure it from this side and see what its length. So if it ranges between 28 to 32, you can buy the medium size. So let's check it out. Okay, so I'm gonna try it out now. Let's see. Okay, we are done now. As you can see, it fits perfectly. My core is tight right now. You can see it's nice and tight. Fits perfectly. And also make sure that you tie this belt on your. And also make sure that you wear this belt on your lower back because it's made for supporting your lower back. Just make sure that it fits correctly on your lower back, so whenever you try to lift heavy, this belt will support you and help you to not injure your lower back. Okay, so talking about the quality of the belt, as you can see, the thickness of the belt is quite good. It won't get damaged easily. I mean, you can use it for a longer period for sure because it is nice and thick. So in this belt we have 3 layers. As you can see, the first one is white, the second one is a little bit grey in color, and the third one is the black. So they are all stitched up together. You can see the stitching. They are stitched nicely, but so I don't think so if they separate quickly. If they are glued, then there might be possibility, but they are also glued and they are also stitched together nicely. So it might last longer. We have this roller to adjust the belt. It will ease up the motion of the belt actually. And as you know, these are the holes that will go into the holes of the belt. And we have 2 straps here. So that's pretty much it. So coming to the conclusion, as I showed you the price of this belt, it's 299 rupees. It's a affordable belt. I mean, it's the best you can buy for that range of price. If you go to the gym and then I recommend you buying this, as this will support your lower back while you lift heavy weights. So if you want to buy this belt, I will put the link for this belt down in the description. Check it out if you want. If you found the video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.